cap, just keep it real. I ain't gonna speak on what I did, his ass know how that hot shit feel. Leave him stainless with the steel, roll them head shit for real.
Really? Those tips are hard. It's a nice day today, ain't gonna lie. A nice day to get into something, you feel me? I gotta try and get all this snow off my car. Snow is ridiculous, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all need to get these Ugg boots, these Ugg slippers is goated, man. Unstoppable in snow. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clear the front windshield part off and then I'll be good. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lennon. I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. Hey, it's 2024. I got you guys a banger right here. So first thing first, so as you guys seen from the title, I'm getting a mod today. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting a little mod today. Might get some new exhaust tips too and all that good stuff. Hope you guys like the video. If you guys have any suggestions for any more content to be posted, drop them down below and let's get into it. Right now I'm on the way to the shop. I got like 3 minutes left. I've been driving for about almost an hour. It's about to be worth it though. They putting in work over here. They got the bulldozers and all that. Okay, I'm gonna follow you. What's this, GT? My fellow Mopar friend. I'm excited. You're excited, bro? Yeah. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? George Custom Muffler. You know what I'm saying? Simple. Check me out. Which one did you get, Desmond? You got this one? Or the one?
I got this one.
You got that one?
Yeah, but you can stop this one. So you got hella options.
Oh. What should I go with, bro? What you think?
You want color or do you want this?
Should I go with bro, how much you think that joint is on the top left?
They off 50 a piece.
For real?
Yeah.
Bro, what do you think about that top joint on the top left? Yeah, what you think about that?
That car line, that's me.
That's me? Yes, sir.
The same price as that one. 500.
500?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, you talking about for everything? Or
Everything.
Yeah, he's including everything.
Oh, you're saying if I get that one?
No, yeah. Everything.
Yeah.
And I saw you looking at this one here. This one? Yeah, is that? You like that one?
Yeah.
That's big and hard.
That one is.
That is hard. Yeah, that's hard.
I'm sorry if I'm indecisive. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I don't know.
Did you come, man? It's big problem.
But that's hard.
See, bro, this is fucking crazy, bro. You should have told Drake to pull up. I told Drake, come. Hey, I told you to pull up, nigga. Nigga ain't want to pull up.
He don't want to pull up. That's him. It's cool.
Yeah, he better pull up next time, bro. That boy Drake pressing that nigga.
Oh God.
They got a lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff. That boy Ernest need to come here. That's what I'm trying to put him on.
Nah, he got
That boy Ernest need to come in.
No, look. Amanda should have came like that.
She could have got the hearts.
Amanda should have came. I ain't gonna.
You got it caught.
Yeah, man, that was a nice car. You probably haven't seen her rap, bro, but with her rap, this will look OC.
You know, bull.
She got a rap in the chamber. She got a rapper in the chamber, man.
Oh man. In the chamber?
Yeah, man, they got a rap in the chamber, man.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
My guy taking real good care of me right now. He's taking real good care of me.
Oh
right
yeah.
Now. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. We in here. Bro, dude, those two right there are hard, bro. Those are hard, bro.
Those some fine ass. Those tips are hard. But yeah, man, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get back to it. We're gonna get back to it once they put them joints on. It's gonna take like a good 30, 40 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit.
Oh yeah, it's the question he's gonna ask you. How far you want it out?
Looking from this side, because this side you're gonna see it. More inside, they coming flush with this part right here, or?
I mean, it look good like that. What you think?
Yeah, it look good.
It look good like that, right?
Yeah, you know, you can always change this in the future. Yep.
Yeah. I got one in the car already. Yeah, that works. That's cool.
Right there?
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, how you feel, man? He finished.
Feel good.
Tips are hard.
I honestly feel good. You know what I'm saying? If it sounds good enough, I might go with the resonator. I might have to get that taken off too.
You got the key on you?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
My pin lock, y'all see that?
Yeah.
I got a vid coming soon, man. No one's taking my wheel. Let me talk to him real quick.
Yeah.
As you guys can see, I am getting my resonator deleted. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting my resonator deleted. I just had a conversation with the boys. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it done. You know, I just got my, my muffler deleted and everything. Got my exhaust tips on there. So we looking all nice. Got a clean setup, you know. Now you're going to delete the resonators, so we're going to see how more deep it sounds. You know, we're going to go from there. You know, I'm excited. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You know, y'all got to come get y'all mufflers, man. Y'all got to come get y'all mufflers, y'all exhaust tips, whatever y'all need. Boy, Dad will put me on. Yeah.
Yep, just like that.
That's the one I got. Would you get this, Ben?
Huh?
Would you get this?
You know, if I had a color for the car, like, you know, I don't know.
Hey, let me know if y'all would get this in the comments. Let me know if y'all would get this. I'm just curious. Who going with that candy red? Let me know if y'all going with this faucet looking.
City Civics.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm fucking with this right here. This is alright. I think this is the same one up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this
No
one.
hate out there for the Honda Civic, but I don't like the Civic.
Yeah, I basically got dual exhausts. I got these right here, but I got two of them. You know what I'm saying? Both sides, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. And we getting our resonator deleted right now. So, yeah, y'all boys just tune in. Oh, shoot, look at this, bro. This is what Dre got. That's what Dre got. That boy Dre got the X-Pipe. Yeah. Oh. Bye-bye. Nah, that's actually crazy, bro. Yeah, GG to all my shit, man. Bro, I like him, bro. He's a menace, bro. I like him. He's putting in work. You see that? He's putting in work, Devin.
Fast pace.
Yeah, fast pace.
Like, no, he makes that money like on fast.
Oh God. Yes, sir. Big mod activities going on. Big mod activities going on.
It sounds about right.
Yep.
About right.
That sounds about right.
Sounds about right.
Yes, sir. All I got left is my lunch money. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna have to last me. It's gonna have to last me for like the next, 2 months. Yeah, shout out to my boy Desmond, got his hair dyed. You know what I'm saying? He about to pull up on a shawty. You know what I'm saying? About to get some.
My hair braided.
Yeah. Boy, Desmond, big money.
You know the vibe.
Yes, sir. We done, London. We done, London. Where we at, London? Where we at? Where we at? Oh yeah. You ready, London? We about to hit this shit. For the moment of truth.
Yeah, I'm getting mine done.
God fucking hell.
I have that truck for sale.
Oh really? How much?
I asked for 13. Have a loud music.
Really?
And you disco.
Those tips are hard. How much for a resonator?
Huh?
You said 200 for the resonator, right?
Yes.
Right now?
This one is gonna be loud.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The way that's that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you gonna do it right now?
I'll do it. What you about to get done, bruh?
I'm about to get my shit done too.
Oh, we twinsies, huh?
Twinsies, you gonna go big.
Okay. Wait, Dad, I'm about to get his resonator deleted. You know what I'm saying? You really thought I was gonna try to hear that? Go subscribe to my boy Desmond. Yeah, get that boy to 100 subs.
The shop is closed. Last purchase.
Yeah, we special, man. They stayed and they did this for us after they closed, man. Y'all gotta pop it. Y'all gotta pull up to this spot. You gotta do every tunnel, you know what I'm saying? Every tunnel, you know what I'm saying? We got a tunnel, boys. Woo! Close out playing with your boy, Dasmundo. Yeah, Sirski. Yeah.
In half a mile, use the right lane to exit to I-395 South to US 1 South.
We're on the bridge with it, gang. We don't got that baby shit no more, gang. So stop playing with it.
In 1,000 feet, exit right.
Tell y'all, man. Y'all get y'all RT, go get y'all shit deleted, man, ASAP. That's the first step. I'm not gonna cap, that's the first step. Bro, that power is just crazy. And I'm not even on, like, look, the tune not even on, gang. The tune not even on, gang. Yeah, I'm really chilling. I'm still loud. Bro, this shit is loud. Oh my God. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That sun is blocking my vision. I ain't gonna cap. People probably watching the video like, man, put your sun shit down. Oh, you don't want to race, buddy. I do not.
Fuck.
What, your mouth dry?
No, bro, it's my windshield. I can barely see with the sun. Even and plus, my windshield is dirty.
Nah, bro, same, bro. My shit ass too. That sun hitting hard.
I want to hit nobody or I want to hit the fucking barriers and shit. I can't barely see.
Alright, I'm going to the right lane.
Alright.
Cause I can't see either, but I ain't gonna cap. I'm gonna cruise it over here since I'm sorry, but that's just amazing. That is just amazing.
If you owe me, Ben, I sing my song. Oh, oh. If you phony, Ben, I sing my song.